I have no idea how I'm going to film this video for class. I barely even know how to play guitar.
Hold on, so you chose to do guitar for your video, but you don't know how to play?
I know how to play a little bit, but that's different from teaching.
So just play an easy and repetitive song.
Why would I play an easy and repetitive song? Okay, that's not a bad idea.
See, this is why you should listen to me more often.
Sure, man. Whatever you say. Hello. Today I'm going to teach you a very easy song on the guitar called Drunken Sailor. This song consists of 3 easy parts that I'm going to break down for you. Before we get started, I'm going to teach you a couple parts of the guitar that you should be concerned with.
First, your tuning pegs. These allow you to tune the guitar and change the sound on it. You can get an app on your phone if you don't have an actual tuner. Second, your frets. The frets on the neck of the guitar would allow the guitar to produce different sounds along with the strings. Third, the strings. The 6 different strings on the guitar all produce different sounds. Starting from top to bottom, they go E, A, D, G, B, E. The top string is referred to as your low E string, while the bottom is considered the high E string. Now I'll bring you a little bit closer and we can get started. So to get started, we're going to go with your high E string and you're going to play this rhythm. Once you get that down, you're going to place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string and your first finger on the 1st fret of the B string. You're going to play that same rhythm on your high E string. Then you're going to go G, B, and then open E. So once you get that, then you're going to go to your 3rd fret of your B with your ring finger, play the same rhythm. Then you're going to play open G, open B, and then down on your 3rd string of the B. So play that. Now finally, we're going to go back to your high E string, play the same rhythm. Now you're going to go 2, 3, 5, 3. Open, then 3 on your B, open, then 2 on your G, and pluck twice. So now once you put it all together, it'll sound like... Have fun.